So we got this alternator problem here. It's no good. Needs changed. Should be a quick, kind of a quick job. I've already taken this breather assembly off. I'm gonna use this. This is a tensioner here. It holds this entire belt and at tension, so everything runs. You put that on there, and you can loosen the tension on your belt, pull it off of your alternator like so. There's a problem. I'll just leave that like that. This is a Chevy 2000 Chevy Silverado 6-liter, half 3/4 ton truck, and I've got my part over there. I got to go grab me another 15 millimeter to take these off. It's a pretty simple fix. That's 100% inflation, Biden. Thanks a lot. Holds her in. Wow, you really settled in there, boy. Okay, now there's a plug here. This has got probably 10 millimeter. And so I can't find a 10 millimeter handy. I'm only going back in the garage. I'll just use my adjustable crescent, which is whatever size I need it to be. And it works great. This little wire right here goes over to your positive battery terminal. That's your charger. That's what sends the charge to the battery. There's a little white clip here. You just pull it out, slide that right out, boom, alternator's out. Usually what goes bad in these are a little regulator in here. It regulates everything. That's usually what goes bad in them.
Alto. How about you alto that? Really? I think I need a little bit of lubricant in here.
I'll try a little bit of this. Well, that's not going to work. Great. You pay through the nose for this garbage right here, and it won't even work. Almost a full can in there. Meanwhile, you get the $2 garbage from Walmart, and it works great. Quick and easy alternator replacement. It's about 30 minutes. If you got everything on hand that you need, before you start. It don't even take that long. So save yourself a couple $100, knocking that job out quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch my other videos. I'm out.